I'm not here to like do everything perfectly. I'm going to throw myself into it and learn as I go. I'm taking a leap of faith, of adventure. Hi, my name is Morgan. I've been doing YouTube just a little bit here and there with motorcycle stuff. Well, I want to do the Trans-America Trail, and the thing is I have like no off-road experience on a motorcycle, and I don't have the motorcycle for the job. So Trans-America Trail is mostly dirt and gravel roads across America. I have in the works right now Yamaha. It's a Yamaha motorcycle, and it's new to North America. It's probably not going to be that hard to put together. I have a chance at one. I'm hoping and praying that I have a chance and the ability to get this bike to do this trip within the next 2 to 4 months ish, something like that. If you want to see that and see what, like, I'll be sharing my experience learning how to like route planning. I think I have access to some land where I can practice at least basic off-road skills, and I know I should probably practice on a smaller bike. I don't care. I'm doing it. This is what I'm gonna do, and I'm not here to like do everything perfectly. I'm going to throw myself into it and learn as I go. I feel like I need to do this. It's gonna be an interesting journey. It's on for me, you know, it's kind of a spiritual type journey as well. Yeah. So if you just want to see how horribly I might fail, or you want to see how cool this could be, or whatever, you just want to be a part of it, I really would appreciate a subscription to the YouTube channel. Share this with someone who might be interested, even if you're not. I would really appreciate that. So subscribe, like, all that craziness. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks there's going to be a new bike for this trip, and then we can start getting down to prepping the bike and planning the trip and all that cool stuff. So I really hope YouTube shows this video to at least a few people who are interested. Thank you for watching. If you watched this far, and maybe a comment saying, hey, this is crazy of you, but I'm here for it. That would be awesome. But yeah, well, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Yeah? Alright, well, God bless, and thank you for your time. We'll see you soon.